For this video, we're in the demo room at Prescott HQ. I'm going to be showing you one of our top-of-the-range instruments, the variable speed Mooneyline Viscometer. My name is Ben, I'm the Quality and Production Manager. Let's take a look. A viscometer measures the viscosity of raw rubber and rubber compounds by measuring its resistance to rotation. Two 13-gram rubber samples are placed onto a preheated rotor and tested inside a closed cavity. Once the platens are closed, the serrated rotor is embedded into the sample and rotated at a fixed speed. As the rotor turns, the rubber resists movement. That resistance is converted into a Mooney value, expressed in Mooney units. For a standard test, the motor turns at 2 revolutions per minute. The most common test is ML1+4. This means 1 minute of preheating, followed by 4 minutes of rotation, giving a standard measure of compound viscosity. The viscometer can also perform stress relaxation testing. Here, the rotor is stopped and the decay in torque is measured over time, providing insight into the elastic behaviour of the compound. The viscometer can also perform scorch testing. This measures how quickly viscosity begins to rise under heat. This indicates the onset of premature curing and helps assess processing safety. With a variable speed viscometer, the rotor speed can be adjusted rather than a fixed value. This allows viscosity to be measured under different shear conditions, giving a deeper understanding of how a compound will behave during processing. It is particularly useful for comparing materials, optimizing formulations, and identifying shear-sensitive behavior. Together, these tests make the Mooney viscometer an essential tool for controlling processability, consistency, and quality in rubber manufacturing. If you require any additional information about today's video, please get in touch with us here at Prescott Instruments and we will be happy to help. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel for any future videos and events.